First up is the Southwire CPT CF1 Coax Prep Tool, your all-in-one solution for cutting, stripping, and prepping coaxial cables with unmatched efficiency. This tool works flawlessly on RG6 and RG59 cables, ensuring a clean prep every time without damaging the conductor. With its auto-adjusting blades and ergonomic design, it reduces hand fatigue even during long work sessions. Whether you're wiring a home theater or a security system, this compact tool streamlines the process. It fits comfortably in your hand and your pocket, ready to go when you are. The construction is solid, offering long-term durability even in rugged environments. Electricians love the time it saves and the precision it delivers. When speed and accuracy matter, this tool delivers. It's one of those tools you didn't know you needed until you used it. Next up is the Link 2 Home Space Saver Grommet socket, the perfect power solution hidden in plain sight for any job site or workstation. Designed to pop up when needed and disappear when not, it features multiple power outlets and USB ports in one sleek unit. It installs easily into desks or countertops, keeping workspaces organized and cord-free. Whether you're charging tools, laptops, or mobile devices, it delivers clean, accessible power where you need it. The durable casing and safety features make it ideal for both temporary and permanent setups. Electricians love its clean look and functional design. It's perfect for van builds, shop benches, or even home offices. Simple, smart, and space-saving, it's a game changer. Just press and power up. Power. Now meet the Composite Line Post Insulator, engineered for medium-voltage overhead lines with a focus on durability and safety. This insulator handles tough weather, pollution, and UV exposure thanks to its hydrophobic silicone housing. It supports high mechanical loads while staying lightweight for easy installation in the field. Built for 24 kV systems, it's a top choice for reliable energy distribution in urban or remote environments. The solid core construction minimizes maintenance and maximizes uptime. Electricians appreciate its consistent performance across various conditions. It's built to last no matter the challenge. When infrastructure demands quality, this insulator stands tall. It's the quiet hero keeping power lines stable. Power your gear off-grid with the Yato Portable Battery Power Station, a true lifesaver when outlets are nowhere in sight. With 9,100 SDI capacity and 1,200 watt output, this station can run drills, lights, or laptops with ease. It features multiple ports including AC, USB-C, and even a car socket, giving you flexibility in any scenario. The built-in UPS function ensures zero downtime for sensitive devices during power cuts. Rugged, compact, and easy to carry, it's made for electricians on the move. LCD indicators keep you informed of your battery status and usage at a glance. Perfect for remote job sites or emergency backups. Silent operation means no engine noise while you work. When power goes out, this station steps up. Explore tight spaces with confidence using the DEHN Wireless inspection camera, the electrician's eye where hands can't go. This tool offers real-time visual feedback via wireless connection to your smartphone or tablet. The flexible probe maneuvers through conduit, ducts, or wall cavities with ease. Equipped with LED lighting, it provides clear visibility even in complete darkness. It's ideal for troubleshooting without the need for full disassembly. Rugged and reliable, it withstands job site abuse without losing performance. From junction boxes to breaker panels, it helps locate problems fast. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to clarity. For fast diagnostics and documentation, this camera delivers. It's like having X-ray vision in your toolbox. When it comes to mounting fixtures securely, the Southwire Romex brand SmartBox Shark-Tooth Fixture Box leads the way with aggressive grip and rock-solid stability. Its patented shark-tooth design bites into wood or metal studs, eliminating the need for screws or nails. This box holds strong in ceiling or wall installs, even under heavy loads like chandeliers or fans. Spacious interior allows easy wiring without cramping your hands. Flame-retardant construction ensures safety, while built-in cable clamps speed up your workflow. Whether you're retrofitting or starting from scratch, it installs fast and stays put. No more wobbling or sagging over time. trusted by electricians for both residential and commercial setups. It's the fixture box that bites and holds. For those who demand crimping precision, the Klauke K507WF crimping tool delivers flawless connections with every squeeze. Designed with interchangeable dies, this tool adapts quickly to various wire sizes and terminals. Its ratcheting mechanism ensures consistent pressure, reducing hand strain while boosting accuracy. The ergonomic grip feels secure, even in sweaty or gloved hands, making long shifts more bearable. Built tough for heavy-duty use, it stands up to daily wear on site. Tool changes are quick and toolless, saving time in critical moments. Whether you're working on control panels or vehicle wiring, this crimper never disappoints. Compact yet powerful, it fits easily in your tool bag. A must-have for clean, reliable terminations. Now let's talk about the Fibre Optic Cable Duct Seals FttH by Filoform, the ultimate solution for protecting fiber installations against water and gas ingress. This duct sealing system ensures a tight, long-lasting seal in microducts used in fiber-to-the-home projects. Installation is fast, clean, and requires no heat or complicated tools. Once applied, it expands to fill gaps and conform to irregular surfaces. It's ideal for both new builds and retrofit applications, providing peace of mind where moisture control is critical. Electricians and telecom techs alike value its reliability and simplicity. It's chemically resistant and tested for durability under real-world conditions. Keep your fiber lines dry and secure with this smart seal. Your connections depend on it. Protect your hands and keep control with the HoldIt hand safety tool, specially designed for gripping and guiding materials without putting fingers in harm's way. This tool acts as an extended hand, allowing electricians to position cable, pipe, or conduit safely during installation. With a non-slip grip and durable construction, it handles rough materials without bending or breaking. The lightweight body ensures easy handling all day long. It's ideal for use in confined spaces, overhead work, or when dealing with energized environments. Safety officers love its compliance boost, and workers appreciate fewer close calls. It reduces strain, boosts precision, and prevents hand injuries. Simple tool, big protection. Your fingers will thank you. Shield your systems with the DEHNventil M2, a top-tier surge arrestor engineered to defend sensitive equipment from voltage spikes. This compact yet powerful device combines spark gaps and varistors to provide multi-level protection in one unit. It reacts in microseconds, neutralizing surges before they reach your gear. Ideal for main distribution boards and high-value setups, it's built to last and handle extreme loads. With tool-free installation and status indicators, it's both user-friendly and dependable. Electricians trust it in industrial, commercial, and data-sensitive applications. It saves equipment, prevents downtime, and meets the strictest standards. When lightning or switching surges strike, DEHNventil takes the hit. It's your system's silent bodyguard. Cable organization is key on every site, and that's where HPH J-Hooks come in. Simple, strong, and built for performance. These hooks support data, fiber, or Coax cables with wide, smooth curves that prevent kinking and signal loss. With multiple mounting options and snap-in retainers, installation is quick and secure. Electricians love their versatility in open ceilings, telecom rooms, and industrial spaces. Made of durable materials and rated for plenum spaces, these hooks handle heavy loads with ease. They keep pathways neat and safe, reducing tripping hazards and code violations. Whether you're running one cable or a whole bundle, they scale up fast. Less mess means faster maintenance later. They're the quiet heroes of clean installs. For off-grid setups or mobile projects, the Klein Tools solar panel adds power wherever the sun shines. This compact, foldable panel features high-efficiency cells and rugged construction built for the job site. It includes multiple output ports for charging tools, phones, or power stations directly. Integrated kickstands and grommets allow easy mounting on any surface. Whether you're in the van, the field, or a blackout, it keeps your gear powered. Built-in smart charging optimizes flow for connected devices. Electricians love pairing it with portable batteries for continuous uptime. Lightweight, weather-resistant, and travel-ready. Clean energy never looked this reliable. Take the sun with you and stay charged. Next, The Jiizer E1X takes electric soldering to a whole new level with instant heat up and cordless freedom. This pen-style tool reaches operating temperature in seconds, perfect for quick joints and touch-ups. It's USB rechargeable and lightweight, fitting perfectly in your pocket or pouch. The fine tip allows pinpoint precision, ideal for electronics, wiring, and field repairs. Safety features like auto shutoff and protective cap prevent accidents. Electricians love it for its agility and speed on the go. Say goodbye to heavy stations and long heat times. From tight junctions to delicate circuit boards, it's a nimble beast. Small, fast, and super handy. This one's a keeper. Crimp with confidence using the KNIPEX PreciForce, engineered for high-precision performance on insulated terminals. The parallel jaw movement guarantees even pressure on every squeeze, eliminating the risk of loose or inconsistent crimps. With color-coded die nests, you can work fast and error-free on various wire sizes. The tool's lightweight, ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue without sacrificing power. KNIPEX's legendary build quality means this crimper will last job after job. It's ideal for control cabinets, panels, and automotive work. Whether you're in production or maintenance, it ensures reliability and clean finishes. Electricians trust this for its balance of comfort and accuracy. One crimp, done right, every time. Streamline your wire handling with the Klein tools, a SmartBox wire dispenser, a modular marvel for electricians who hate tangles and downtime. This unit dispenses spools cleanly and without snagging, whether mounted in a van or placed on the floor. Its stackable, lockable design integrates with the full SmartBox system for ultimate flexibility. Heavy-duty rollers support smooth pulling even under load. Setup takes seconds. No unwinding disasters here. It's perfect for DEHN, speaker wire, or comm lines on fast-paced installs. Add multiple spools for rapid wiring across different zones. Less waste, fewer knots, and zero frustration. It's the wire wrangler your truck's been missing. Now meet the Southwire Professional Impact Punchdown tool, the ultimate companion for network and telecom wiring. Designed for high-volume punchdowns, it uses an impact mechanism to seat wires perfectly every time. Adjustable impact settings let you fine-tune force for different jacks and blocks. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort even during long shifts. It includes multiple blade types stored right in the handle for quick access. Built for Cat5e, Cat6, and telephone wiring, it's a go-to in structured cabling. Electricians love the speed, accuracy, and durability it brings to every patch panel. Forget missed seats and double work. Every punch lands solid with this powerhouse. Keep your install neat and modular with the in-device holder for a series of 5 boxes, designed to simplify multi-gang box setups with perfect alignment. This holder keeps everything locked in place while you mark, cut, or install junction boxes in a straight, even row. It eliminates wobbly, misaligned mounts and drastically speeds up work on drywall or masonry. Whether you're installing switches, sockets, or smart home hubs, the result is cleaner and more professional. It's reusable, compact, and lightweight, perfect for rough-ins or final fits. Electricians appreciate the consistency it brings to every project. No guesswork, just precision. Make your wall layouts flawless with this smart jig. Crimping just got easier with the WEHA automatic crimp tool, which adjusts itself to wire size and terminal for perfect results every time. Simply insert and squeeze. The ratcheting action delivers uniform pressure without manual calibration. Its compact frame and lightweight body make it a favorite for tight enclosures and overhead work. With color-coded guides and insulated handle grips, it's as safe as it is smart. Designed for repetitive tasks, it reduces strain and boosts speed on large jobs. The hardened steel mechanism promises long-lasting performance, ideal for service panels, terminal blocks, and automotive wiring. It's the tool that thinks for you. One motion, perfect crimp. Twist wires like a pro with the Nichifu pneumatic wire twisters, built for speed, uniformity, and safety in high-volume installations. These air-powered tools deliver tight, consistent twists on stranded wires, reducing fatigue and increasing throughput. With adjustable torque and speed, You control the finish for different wire gauges. Perfect for grounding, bonding, or prepping for ferrules. It minimizes strain on wrists and elbows during repetitive tasks. Electricians love it for control panel fabrication and wire prep on site. Compact and efficient, it's a shop favorite. Say goodbye to uneven, loose twists. It's precision at the push of a trigger. Klauke AS52 Cordless Cable Cutter, a beast of a tool that slices through thick cables like butter, no hand force needed. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it delivers smooth, clean cuts on copper and aluminum with one button press. Designed for one-handed operation, it's perfect for overhead lines, sub-panels, or tight corners. Safety sensors prevent misfires or overloads. With a fast cycle time and rugged jaws, it boosts speed on site and reduces worker fatigue. Ideal for utility, industrial, or commercial work. Electricians praise its efficiency and cutting power. When heavy-duty calls, this cutter answers. To wrap it up, the Hellerman Titan manual cable tie gun delivers quick flush cuts every time without over-tightening or damaging wires. It features adjustable tension settings for various cable sizes and materials, giving you total control. The ergonomic grip and low trigger force reduce hand strain during long shifts. Built with precision parts and tough housing, it withstands the rigors of daily use. Clean, flush trims mean fewer snags and a professional look. It's ideal for data racks, harnesses, and cable trays. Electricians swear by its smooth action and consistency. Keep your installs tidy and your hands happy. This gun makes zip tie work a breeze. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.